We here, on behalf of the Capital Police, appear before you to inform about one of the major cases that we have recently undertaken and investigated into, and eventually we are here today to brief you on the case. Sitting on my right is SDPO Itanagar, Delhi, and on my left KC Yanko, OCPS Itanagar, and other officers from PS Itanagar. Here we are today to brief you about the recent case that we have worked on. This case is regarding one of the major interstate car vehicle theft racket that was functioning in and around ICR. So, in the fag end of June, we received an information, an intelligence input to be precise, about one interstate car theft racket which was functioning in and around ICR. So, after having inquired into the information and after proper verification, it was found that the information, the intelligence, piece of intelligence had substance to it. So we inquired into it, and eventually, on being discovered that there is quite a tangible substance to the information, we registered a suo motu case on 2nd of July. So during the investigation, it is to inform that we have successfully, to this point, have cracked the functional interstate vehicle theft racket, and in the process we have recovered 57 vehicles of different makes, including Audis, Ford Endeavors, Toyota Fortuners, and so many others.
Oy sengbo, chaani ko apsan tochi jo taitainas kang sengbo. Yan nang ni BNB mangna aruan sini samtang na namja. Anda kapat hoko chaani chi dengtang sabis ko manama. Yan da kapat horang ko basa ko di jakal na paltaya, soegala, arunala rango pakegala. Nebadaude, ruko, ya repurpose use cooking oil ni skimo, ya toko biodiesel tari nagta jakalgen. Unigaman, sengbo, antang ni BNB mang, arunang ni samtang ko name rakibo.